More than 1.2 million Marylanders are fully vaccinated, but even with that good news, concerns are growing tonight over how many younger people are hospitalized. Hello, everyone. I'm Vic Carter.
And I'm Denise Cook. Governor Hogan is also sounding the alarm about a cut in vaccine supplies from the federal government.
And the number of UK variant cases is continuing to rise in the state. WJZ investigator Mike Kellgren live at the state fairgrounds vaccination site where he spoke to the governor today. Mike.
Vic, Denise, Governor Hogan says he is worried about hospitalizations among people in their 20s, 30s, and 40s. Also, we got a first-hand look at the some 500 doses of vaccine an hour people are getting here in Timonium.
You might have a little sore arm later, but you'll be feeling fine.
The governor and Baltimore County's executive toured the vaccination site at the state fairgrounds.
It's wonderful to see you, young lady. Thank you for coming in.
They've described it as a model.
We're honoring our appointments. We're only scheduling them when we have doses. We're getting people in and out in a very efficient manner.
45% of Marylanders have now received one dose of vaccine, but the case numbers are still rising. I asked Governor Hogan about his biggest concerns.
This bad news we got from the feds that they're going to be dramatically slashing our supply of vaccines.
Baltimore's Emergent plant, where millions of doses of Johnson & Johnson vaccine were wasted, is still not approved by the FDA to supply vaccines to the general public.
And then we were told 2 days ago that we were going to have an 85% cut in the doses of J&J.
And Maryland has seen a jump in cases of dangerous variants, with 665 confirmed infections of the UK strain, which is now dominant in the United States.
We are concerned about these variants. There are states across the country in much worse shape, including almost every state to the north of us.
In Baltimore City, new infections have risen 163% in the past month.
Our data shows what happens when the simple harm reduction rules that have protected our residents for so long are thrown out of the window.
And concerns remain about vaccine equity in Maryland.
A successful vaccine campaign is seen in and measured by not just the number of vaccines you give, but the numbers of vaccines that you put into black and brown patients.
Tomorrow at M&T Bank Stadium, there will be a limited number of no appointment necessary walk-up vaccination doses, about 200 of them available between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Reporting live in Timonium, Mike Kellgren, WJZ.